Need to import videos or reels for editing in Edits? Then here's how you can import under 2 minutes. Start by heading over to the application Edits. In this page, you have to make sure that you are logged into your specific Instagram account. Once you have been logged in, tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. It will open up your gallery. If you want to import any of the video, simply select the video that you want to import. You just have to click on the video. Once you have clicked on it, tap on Add at the top right corner of the screen. And there you can see that the video has been imported in the Edit section. So you have to make sure that the video you want to edit is already saved into your gallery. Now from all of the features below, you will be able to edit the reels. Edit according to your need, and once done, click on Export at the top right corner of the screen. After that, the video will be saved into your gallery. And that's it. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial, especially if you're just getting started on edits.